Happy Friday, West Texas. It was a pretty warm day. It started out with a low of 56, high of 73, and 73 feels pretty nice. It is still above average, though. Thankfully, nowhere nearly as hot as it was 6 years ago. It was 88 back in 2017. Thankfully, nowhere near as hot today across the Lone Star State. Feeling pretty nice right now, though. 55 in San Angelo, 54 in Abilene. You can see that cold air. It's really moving from north to south, and it really brought down those temperatures in the big country, but we didn't see that big of an impact here in the Concho Valley. We're starting to see some clouds build in to west central Texas, and tomorrow I think it's gonna be some really sparse areas of sunshine, and I think most of us gonna have cloud cover just like we saw for your Friday. Saturday, this version of Timecast picking up some potential showers, but I really think the better chance gonna be Sunday. Sunday, going into the early part of next week, it's really gonna be a tale of two cold fronts. This first cold front, it's really weak. In fact, we're actually gonna see higher temperatures on your Sunday than your Saturday. And it's gonna move through during the day Sunday and really gonna bring some rain chances toward the eastern half of our viewing area, particularly in the big country. But I really think that better rain coverage going to be to our east in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Also, can't rule out the possibility of some strong to severe thunderstorms. If any thunderstorms do become strong to severe, but be monitoring for the risk of gusty winds and strong hail. So certainly something to keep in mind if you're traveling for the holiday. That second cold front, it's going to be a much stronger push of cold air. You can see got some snow behind it in portions of New Mexico and Colorado. Unfortunately, I don't have any snow in my forecast for us in West Texas, or fortunately, depending on how you look at it. And then that cold front gonna make its way through west central Texas, and we'll see some pretty nice temperatures heading into your Thanksgiving. For Sunday, the Storm Prediction Center has a 1 out of 5 risk highlighted for the eastern portion of our viewing area. That does include the far northeastern portion of Stevens County. So a very, very small portion of our viewing area, but certainly something to keep in mind, something I'm going to be monitoring. Saturday, looking like a pretty nice day. We will start out on the warm side, could be in the upper 40s, lower 50s. Got those highs in the mid 60s. So actually pretty seasonable for this time of year. We're going to start seeing those southerly winds return across the area, and that's really going to return the heat across West Texas. That's really what's going to make Sunday such a warm day, flirting with that 80-degree mark. Got a high of 64 forecast for your Saturday and a high of 77 for your Sunday. So certainly not going to be feeling like fall on your Sunday. Got that 20% chance of rain, particularly in the big country. Going to be monitoring any of those storms get on the strong to potentially severe side. After that cold front comes through, gonna have some gusty winds across West Texas and feeling pretty nice and fall-like for your Thanksgiving. And then it'll be beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Highs in the 60s day after Thanksgiving. Bert,